so shit today. It was that made the van shake. It was that loud. Yeah, first day back in France and it's pissing it down. Look at that. 2 videos for you today. Don't say I don't look after you. The only problem is it's took half the day up. To be fair, the weather's crap here today anyway. I mean, to give you an idea. Right, if you can see, the car park is flooded. So it's been like on and off storm about every 20 minutes. That's what I was saying about the old mountain weather. 1 minute it's flipping sunny in here, next minute it's cacking it down. All I want to do today is go empty my toilet anyway, so everyone don't know if I have a good look at my van when they get past. Alright, just wait for this to export and sort myself out. I'm flipping computer all day today. Right everyone, so we've gone from roasting hot in Switzerland to pissing it down all day. That's saying 14 degrees now. Look at me, I'm wearing a flipping jumper. Still got shorts on though, eh? So what I've got to do, look at this bloody car park. Oh, look at the flipping behind, look, flooded to shit. All the people in the £1 million motorhomes are like trying to find dry spots. If I come back here, I'll just go square in the middle of this puddle, I don't care. The nearest toilet dump is, there's not one here, there's not one in Chamonix. There's one a little way down there. I'm just finding it now. So I need to do that because it's just getting grim. I can't remember when I last did it. I think it was when I first come into Switzerland, weren't it? Oh, no, I've not even done it in Switzerland. Flipping out. Facilities, yeah, they've got toilet dumper. That's where we're gonna have to go then. So, got to do something today. I've just been sat in the van all flipping day pretty much. Obviously, I was doing them videos, that took ages. 2 videos in a day. Ooh, pushing the boat out. Oh, I need fuel at some point as well, don't I? See if I can spy a petrol station on the way. 33 kilometres, that's alright. We'll go do that and then see if we can find somewhere else to stop. I want to do something, but the flipping weather's garbage. Pardon me everyone while I just hotwire my van. Let's go have a look. Yeah, you see them big mountains over there, you can't even see them anymore. Might come back here, we'll see. Can't see anyone else parking in this spot, so. Nearly stalled it pulling out of there. Imagine, middle of the road. You know. That's a glacier up there. That is awesome. If you can see it, just up there on the mountain. Man. Looks immense. We'll come over this bridge here, hopefully you'll be able to see.
First exit.
Oh, it's not a bridge, it's a roundabout. Oh. Oi! The hell? Jamming it and then we just come through. Sure, this sat-nav is just deliberately disobeying me now. Got me on the motorway again. Well, you know, don't matter in France, but it's still like, what the hell? Got it set to avoid motorways and tolls and everything. Roads like this because I never know whether I'm going to be on them or not. Sat-nav says go. I'm thinking no.
Turn right, then enter roundabout.
Just dumped the tank, or all the tanks. There's about 1 million flipping motorhomes in this car park, so I might go try and find another one. Getting a dab hand with the old toilet drop in though, rapido. It's not going to be a very interesting episode today, I'm afraid. really doing anything. No. Sat now, you scruffy, just tried to get me going down a pissy little road. Diesel as well. That's where I'm going now. I just put a petrol station in 7 kilometres from here, and the sat-nav just tried to do me over. Tried to take me down a road that said under 3.5 tonne only, which is fine, but it had the signs like that saying 1.9 metres. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I bet with the mirrors, I'm sure when I was building the bed in the back it was 170 something. So it's definitely going to be 1.9, ain't it, with these mirrors and stuff, so I ain't going down there. I don't know where the hell I'm going now. Probably up some other road. Whapping great detour now, oh my god. It's the latest, bloody hell that was a view. This is the latest that I've been driving, I think, on this trip. Probably I'm well stopped by now. I don't even know where I'm flipping staying yet. This is why you don't try and get everything done at once. It never works. I'm just shut up, basically. You bastard. Noticed I've had my fuel as well. Less than a quarter of the tank. Not ideal. I think this is about to be a good view, so who cares? There it is. I'm just going to pull over actually and make sure I'm going somewhere. Oh, hang about. Could that be us? I mean, it's got potential. I don't care, I'll stay anywhere. Oh man, that is a sick view. Mega, isn't it? Look at that. What a landscape. I love how they think driving 2 foot away from your bumper is going to make you go quicker. I just flipping go slower, mate. I don't care. Fuel light's flickering. I hope this place is open. Going to a Super U, because hopefully it'll be cheaper on the big supermarkets. Because this is going to be a big fill up, so that'll be about €100. Steeply. So if this is closed, I may lose my head. You just say. Like old times, this is, isn't it? Down in the valleys. This sat now, we're going to have a falling out. Just made me drive straight past it. I think it's open though, so question is my card going to work? Alright, I've got one, 14 kilometres. This is a spot, apparently, according to that thing, and it's Super U parking. Flipping staying here. They're joking. It's not America, we ain't parking at Walmart. I wanted to do 295. 295. I can look back on the flipping video, can't I, eh? It's got its benefits. I reckon if this place is alright, 14 kilometres, I could probably come back to this Super U tomorrow, stock up on all the stuff. I'm going to buy a load of water as well. And there was an air there, actually, in the petrol station. I don't know if the water You have to pay for it, probably. But I'll fill up all that water. I'm going to buy a load more drinking water as well. I didn't account for the heat, so I've gone through it a lot quicker than I was expecting. I've only got one flipping pack left, so I'm just going to go in and buy like a load. Probably spend about €30 on it, just buy a load of it. I've got it then, ain't I? Alright, hopefully this place is alright. Back on the bloody motorway to go over the Sky Bridge thing. Went on this on the first trip. Sick. Saw it on the way down. I don't think we're going over it now, but looks like we are. Oh, got to go up this massive hill, haven't we? Flip. Tunneling. Cool is that? About this, bet it'll be full. Bet you.
Arriving at destination on right.
Is that a van park? Oh, here we go. This will do. Probably. Don't know if I'm parked in the right place or not, but I don't really care because I've not had any dinner and I'm flipping hungry. And I can't be asked to drive anymore. So, yeah. Oh, I just got an absolutely banging photo though. Waiting at the traffic lights up there. You're going to be able to see it very well. Alright, got a new problem now. Well, so you can't tell because I'm holding the camera straight, but the van is actually something like that right now. So everything kind of wants to go this way, but oh well. But that ain't the problem. The problem we've got right now is the roof leaking. I think. Look. Here, it's wet. Well, damp. That right there is kind of a big deal. Yeah. Not what you want, is it? I don't understand where it's leaking through though. Because I sealed all this up fresh. And it's shut, definitely. Oh, it's actually like... hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. I've got some sealant. I'll get up on the roof tomorrow and just smear it over everything. That's a piss take, isn't it? Why is everything going wrong? If it rains anymore, that's going to end up dripping. And that is not a good way to wake up. I'm going to be honest. Can't do it now because it's all soaking up there. Oh, all this it's coming off as well. It's just this rubbish stuff that I use to hold it all together. Bollocks. That's where it leaked before, and this side ain't wet, so it should be alright, hopefully. That's dry in there, looking through there, so it's just it. I don't understand what is even there. That's just flipping metal, so it must be coming in through the side of that. I'm just going to have to cake it in sealant tomorrow. How's that for you anyway? The skylight that I built myself out of flipping plywood hasn't leaked once since I've had it. And the one I bought has leaked 3 times since I've had it. Great, isn't it? Something to eat. At least I got a full tank of fuel though. That's the main thing. Full tank of fuel. Nice. Oh, you. Nice fresh smelling bog. That was getting fucking horrible. Left it ages. Trying to get some cheese on toast, I think. I can't be asked to make anything. That's pissed me off, that is. I thought that was fixed. If you go back on the channel a bit, you'll see, like way back, you'll see where I fixed it before. I did it wrong when I first put it on. I used plywood as the, well, you just go back and you have a look. I thought that was problem solved, but I fucking know what it is. Jesus Christ. So you see how all this sealant's cracking? It's from the heat. It's just making it split. That's what's on that. Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to take the old bloody thing off. Today's a bit crap, isn't it? I mean, I've got TV. Don't understand a peep though, but I'm watching it anyway. If anyone wants to come translate for me, then that would be ideal.